Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are OOPS concept confusing for you? Encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism sound complex, right? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain OOPS concept in very simple and clear way using real-life example and coding. So OOPS is a programming paradigm to solve complex problem in easy way with the use of object and classes. It is just like real-world entities. An object represents a real things. It contains data, variable, behavior, method. Real-life examples are students, employee, car, bank account. In OOPS, we write program by thinking in the term of object, not just logic. Why use OOPS? OOPS is used because it makes software easy to understand, easy to maintain, reusable, secure, close to real life. So the first one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is the process of wrapping data and method together into a single unit and restricting direct access to data. Explanation we have like data is kept as private, access is given through public methods. Real life examples we have, you cannot see the medicine inside. You only know what it does. The benefits we have, data security and control access. The second one is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding implementation details and showing only essential features to the user. Explanation we have like focus on what an object does, not how it does it. Real life examples we have like ATM machines. You press withdraw, you don't know the bank internal process. Benefits we have reduce complexity, improve usability. The third one is inheritance. Inheritance allow one class to reuse the properties and method of the another class. Explanation we have like parents class have base class, child class have a derived class. So the real life example is like child inherit features from parent. Benefits we have code reusability, reduce duplication. The last one is polymorphism. So the polymorphism means one method with different behaviors. What is the explanation? Same method name, different implementation. Real life example we have like remote control. Same power button, different TV, different responses. Benefits, flexible and scalable code. Easy memory trick we have EAIP. Encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Where OOPS is used. So OOPS is widely used web application, mobile apps, enterprise system, banking, HRMS and ERP software. So the code example for encapsulation is use private variable, access data using public method. Balance cannot be accessed directly. User must use deposit or get balance. The code example for abstraction is by achieved using interface or abstract class. User know only withdraw. Bank logic is hidden. So the code example of inheritance is parent class is base class and child class is derived class. So car inherits start from vehicle. No read to rewrite code. The code example of polymorphism is method overriding. Same method name, different behavior. Same method draw. Output changes based on object type. If this video helps you understand OOPS clearly, please like, subscribe and comment below.